guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing a makeup session with you. I was gifted the most beautiful lip gloss and eyelashes from Meena Maya, and I've just done a quick makeup session with it, so I thought I would share with you guys so you can see how it all looks. Just a little disclaimer, I am not a makeup artist and I'm not qualified to give makeup advice, but this is just a little behind the scenes of how I get ready and how I do my makeup. I love it so much, so I love to play around with it. Okay, let's get into it. So first of all, I take my eyebrow pencil, I fill in the gaps, and I start at the beginning of the front of the eyebrow, and then I actually go back and really fill in from halfway. And I leave all the little baby hairs right at the front to go over with a eyebrow gel to get the hairs in the right position. I love to go for that bushy, fuller look. And then I take my eyebrow pencil back again and fill in any leftover gaps. So when it comes to my eyeshadow, I usually do put a little bit of concealer on my eyelids. Not quite sure why I didn't do it this time. I think I just forgot or I was in a bit of a rush, but either way, I think I saw that the color was holding quite well. And I do like to emphasize the color a little bit by putting it underneath my eyes as well. After that, I do my eyeliner. I like to go from the middle of my eye so that it really opens up the rest of the eye. And I just do a small wing at the end. I also try and do a little triangle effect. So I go from the middle, meeting the other side of the eyeliner, as you can see, and then fill in. Then we do a quick touch up of the eyeshadow, just where we were touching around with our fingers, doing the eyeliner, so that we just get that beautiful color back again. And we're doing lashes. I found these lashes were so beautiful, but they were a little bit too long for me, so I cut them ever so slightly at the front. And then I've also got some brown eyeliner right underneath. I didn't want it to be completely blacked out with black eyeliner, so I just chose to put a lighter brown underneath so that it could still get the smoky effect. So we're at my favorite part of the whole makeup process. I love doing the skin and going in with foundation and concealer. I find doing eyes the most tedious and fiddly, so I love the blank canvas that skin gives you to just go in and really sort out all those blemishes and skin spots and dark patches and just really create a flawless look. So as you can see, I am going in with the Beauty Blender and I'm blending in all my concealer that I've put in on certain patches where I've got red spots or any blemishes on the skin, and now I'm going over with some foundation. Foundation always looks really scary at first. I always get so nervous at this stage because I always think, oh my goodness, how am I going to blend this? I hope my skin absorbs this. But somehow it just works. And I'm particularly showing the full blending process because this really is an art. It takes so much patience to get this all blended in, but it is the most important step. Blend, blend, and blend again. So after everything is blended in, I take my blush brush and I take a slightly darker tone blush and I use it to actually contour my cheeks. I don't have a contour stick, so believe it or not, I just use different shades of blush to really contour my cheeks and get that effect. So a little beauty hack for you there. So just for fun and for the sake of YouTube, I decided to just be a little bit extra and put these 2 decorative dots underneath my eyes, and you can see I also extended the eyeliner right to the corners of my eyes and just give it that extra definition with the double cat eye. Last step for the skin is to add some gorgeous highlighter to the cheeks with some bronzer to top it off. And of course we got to line those lips. So when I do my lip liner, I go right around the lips, and I don't actually go over the cupid's brow, but I go right to the edge to make sure I get that really full effect. Alright, so finishing touches, we've got the gorgeous chocolate coloured lip gloss from Meena Maya. I really hope you're taking in every second of this slow-mo footage because it is as glorious as it looks on camera. It is so luxurious in person, and it really just gives you that glossy look. Okay, so we've got the before and after, and it is a gorgeous look, and what a transformation. It's not a perfect, flawless look. There are still skin blemishes, and you can still see my skin texture through this foundation and this makeup look. But you know what? We like to have fun with it, and that's the way I like it. I like my skin to breathe. I like for you to still see the me under all of it, and I think that comes through. So I really hope you guys enjoyed what you saw today, and maybe there's a few tips that you picked up. So I hope to see you back on my channel soon.